Hello all, this is Kansas Mountain Man, once again coming live from the living room. Today we're going to be going over how to use a rat's tourniquet. To begin with, you need to fully unwrap your rat's tourniquet. You should have a 3-finger loop in the top where the windlass would be at. You're going to go high and tight. High and tight is the key to all this. I'm going to lift his shirt so I can show you.
Are you going to introduce him to the video?
This is my cousin Levi. We're going to go through the loop. Keep it high and tight. That right there. Just hold that. Okay. Now this windlass is going to dig into you. Are you alright with that?
Hmm? What is?
The windlass, the middle part.
That's fine.
You're going to wrap it as tight as humanly possible. If you're not leaving a bruise on them, you're doing it wrong.
Right.
You come around to the windlass. You alright?
Yep.
And you hook it. Now, see? You can see where his blood flow stopped. It's turning multiple different colors. His arm is pasty white now. I'm going to release the tourniquet. But in a scenario where you had to use it, you want to leave that tourniquet on. You do not want to mess with it, but it needs to be on there as tight as humanly possible. Thank you for everything you do for me and for my family. Hit the like button, subscribe, share on whatever platform you want to. Comments should be turned on, so leave a comment down below. This is Kansas Mountain Man signing out.